Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows Update error code 0x80070012. There were problems installing some updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for information, this may help. And then again, it'll say error code 0x80070012. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in Troubleshoot. Best result should come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select Other Troubleshooters. And then select where it says Windows Update, and then select the Run button that corresponds to it. And then once that's done, go ahead and select Close. Close out of here. And I would recommend opening up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result should go back with Command Prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. Now I will have a couple commands in the description of the video, guys. The first one's going to be the system file checker utility scan. So just go ahead and copy that again from the description of my video. And then you want to go up to the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. Go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. Okay guys, so once that scan is done, I'll have a second command in the description of the video, so I want you to copy that one as well, and then paste it in the same fashion we did the first command into this command prompt window, and then hit enter. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point you should be good to go. And if you attempt to check for updates again, you shouldn't have that issue. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.